Hey, it's Friday, it's 6:30 in the morning. I just got the bikes loaded up, heading to Grande Prairie from Cold Lake, about a 7-hour drive. Me and my buddies are going riding on the weekend. Got my buddy Cole Rogers' bike loaded up and mine. Take it up, go hit up some hills and find some ice to ride on. Got my new studded tire on, so see how that works out. I'm almost to Grande Prairie. It's, if you can see behind me, it's snowing pretty bad. Coming through a snowstorm right now, going to ride dirt bikes, so see how the weather is once I get there. Shouldn't be too much snow to ride. We're in Rock Valley Raceway in Grande Prairie, Alberta, out here for a ride. They plow the track here for us to ride in the winter, so got studded tires. We're all here riding, me and my buddy Cole Rogers. So